Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to complete our exercise 1.5. We have already done questions till question number 17. Now we will start with question number 18. So, children, what question number 18 says is change the position of the digit. What you have to do, you have to change the position. आपको position change करनी है digit की. If necessary, if you think that अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो to get smallest 5 digit number. Children, आपको smallest 5 digit number बनाना है. You have to make smallest 5 digit number after changing the position of the digit. Okay. So children, let's do one example, one question. So question number 18. Let's do B part. We'll do this. Our number is 84,457. So children, by changing the position of digits, now what you have to do, अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to change the position to make smallest 5 digit number. Okay, what you have to make? Smallest 5 digit number by changing the position. Okay, children, आपको 5 digit smallest 5 digit number बनाना है by changing the position. You have number 84,457. Now we know that, children, how to make smallest 5 digit number. In these numbers, in 8, 4, 4, 5, 7, which one is smaller, smallest? सबसे छोटा कौन सा नंबर है इसमें? We know that 8 is bigger than 4, 5 and 7. 7 is also bigger than 4 and 5. इसमें से सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है स्टूडेंट? We have 4. Okay, 4. Now again what we have left, अब क्या हमारे पास बचा है? 8 बचा है, 4 बचा है, 5 बचा है, 7. So children, we have to make 5 digit. Again we will use इन सब में से सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 4 छोटा है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. नाउ वी हैव 8, 5, 7. अब 8, 5, 7 में से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है? 5. Then after 5 we have 7 and 8. We left with 8 and 7. So in this number, in these two numbers, which one is smallest? We know that 7 is smallest number than 8. Yes, 7 is small. So children, we will write 7, then the remaining number is 8. So children, इससे like this we will create 5 digit smallest 5 digit number. Let's take another example, another question. Let's do question D. 40,308. 40,308. Children, अब इसमें in this also you have to create smallest number. So student, we know that 0, we will not start with 0. We will not start with 0. We will not start with 0. बिकॉज अगर 0 से स्टार्ट करा 0 0 फिर देन यू विल राइट 4 3 4 8. सो स्टूडेंट 0 की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं होती. इट हैज नो वैल्यू. यस, नो वैल्यू. और ये फिर कौन सा 3 डिजिट नंबर बन गया. यस, you can see that 1 2 3. So this is wrong. We have to make 5 digit number. Okay, so children, we will not start with 0. We will not start with 0. आपको किसी नंबर से ही स्टार्ट करना है. Now you have 40308. अब इसमें से बनाना है. सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है आफ्टर 0. Yes, smallest number is 3 after 0. Now you can write 0, children. Okay, अब आप 0 लिख सकते हो. 3 भी लिख दिया आपने. Suppose children, this is your number. Now you have written 3. 0 भी हो गया. अब you left with 4 and 8. Now you left with 4 and 8. So children, in 4 and 8, which one is the smallest number? 4 और 8 में से सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? Yes, 4. उसके बाद आएगा 8. So student, this is your smallest 5-digit number. Like this, you will do A and this C, homework. Okay, children, now your next question is change the position digit. Now, again, you have to change the position of the digit to make greatest 5-digit number. Earlier, we did smallest 5-digit number. Now we have to make greatest 5-digit number. Okay, children, now let's take example. Question number 19. Let's do this question. 95,064. $95,064. Children, now what you have to make? You have to make greatest 5-digit number. So children, in these 5 numbers, इस 5 numbers में से which one is the greatest number? कौन सा greatest number है? In 9, 5, 0, 6, 4 में से कौन सा greatest number है? Yes, 9 is the greatest among all. इन सब में से 9 बड़ा है. Then children, 9 हो गया. Now we left with 5, 0, 6, 4. इसमें से now which one is greatest? Yes, 6 is greatest. Now we will write 6. After that, we left with 504. अब हमारे पास कौन से 3 नंबर बचे हैं? 504 बचे हैं. So, इसमें से which one is greatest? Yes, children, 5 बड़ा है. After 5, we left with 0 and 4. अब 0 और 4 में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है children? Which number is greatest between 0 and 4? Yes, student, 4 is greatest than 0. And then we left with 0. You will write 0. So this you have make greatest 5-digit number. Children, when you have to make greatest 5-digit number, जब आपको greatest number बनाना है तो जो सबसे big number है वो पहले आएगा, big. Yes. Then उसके बाद जो फिर remaining numbers हैं उसमें से फिर जो big number है वो आएगा. लाइक दिस यू विल राइट, और जो सबसे स्मॉल नंबर है वो लास्ट में आएगा, स्मॉल नंबर लास्ट में, एंड फर्स्ट बिग नंबर. Like this you will make greatest. Now your next question is write greatest 4-digit number using only 1 digit. अब आपको एक digit use करके using only 1 digit you have to make greatest 4-digit number. Using only 1 digit. What you have to make? Greatest 4-digit number. Children, अब आप ये बताओ, we have 1 digit. Question has asked 1 digit. So let's write 1 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 is 2-digit number, so we will not consider it. Okay. So we will exclude it. This you will not consider. So here, this is your 1-digit number. Yes. Children, what you have to make? Greatest. Among these all, which one is your greatest number? In सब में से 1 से 9 तक numbers में से which one is your greatest? Yes, children. Your greatest number is 9. And what you have to make? Only using 1 digit. Same 1 digit आपको use करना है. और what you have to make? 4-digit greatest number. तो children, इन सब में से कौन सा बड़ा है? 9 बड़ा है. तो आप 4-digit बनाना है. Then you will write 4 times 9. And this is your greatest 4-digit number. By using only 1 digit. By using only 1 digit, you have made greatest 4-digit number. Okay, children. So your next question is, again you have to make greatest 4-digit number by using all different digit. Children, फिर से आपको greatest 4-digit number बनाना है. Now what you have to do? You have to use different digits. पहले आपको same digit use करना था. Now you have to use different digits. All different digits. So children, what you will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What you have to make? 4-digit. 4-digit greatest number. इसमें से सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 9. So you will write 9 first. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 8. So you will write 8. फिर 7. And then 6. Okay children, so सबसे बड़ा, सबसे big कौन सा? 9. उसके बाद 8. Yes. Then you have 7. Then you have 7 and you have 6. So children, this is your greatest 4-digit number by using different digit. Every digit is different. इसमें जो भी digits आपने use करें वो सब different है ना children? Now let's see another question. Your next question is saying that all different digits, greatest 4-digit बनाने हैं, सारे different digit होने चाहिए, but जो hundreds place पे which number you have to write 3 in hundreds place. Okay children, so your question is saying that every digit should be different. आपके सारे डिजिट डिफरेंट होने चाहिए बट 100 प्लेस पे 4 डिजिट बनाना है, दैट मीन्स ones, tens, 100,000. yes, what question is saying कि आपके 100 प्लेस पे 3 होना चाहिए. ओके okay? और 1000 and tens place पे you will write different digits. Okay children, so see 1 से 9 तक में which number is greatest? 9. You know that 9 is greatest among all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. इसमें से सबसे बड़ा नंबर 9 होता है. So you will write 9. आपके क्वेश्चन में बोला कि आपको 100 प्लेस पे 3 लिखना है, तो आपने 3 लिख दिया. Now again see 1 से 9 में you have written greatest number 9. 9 के बाद which number is greatest? After 9 which number is greatest? 8. So you will write 8 on 10th place. आपने 8 hundreds place पे क्यों नहीं लिखा children? Because question में mention करा है, in question it has mentioned that on hundreds place you have to write 3. आपको hundreds place पे 3 लिखना है. That's why you have written 3 here. Otherwise अगर ये question में mention नहीं होता, if it is not mentioned in question, then you will write 8 on hundreds place. But you can see that in question it has written that you have to write 3 in hundreds place. That's why you have written 3 in hundreds place. 3 in hundreds place. See. Okay children, so 9 के बाद greatest 8 है, तो वो आपने that is written on 10th place. After 8, 7 is the greatest number, so you will write that on 1st place. So this is your greatest 4-digit number. After the condition which question has said. ये ग्रेटेस्ट 4-digit नंबर है, जो भी कंडीशन आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है उसके बाद. So children, like this you will make smallest 5-digit number. This is your homework. Now your next question is write all possible 3-digit number using each of digit only once. 285 है, आपको सारे पॉसिबल 3-digit नंबर बनाने हैं. किससे? 285 से. सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज करना, रिपीट नहीं करना. And then after that arrange them in ascending order. 285 children. Okay, so your question is by using 285 you have to make 3-digit number, all possible 3-digit number, all you have to make all possible 3-digit number without repetition. Without repetition. Children, आपको repeat नहीं करना है. Okay, so let's make it. First you can make 285. yes, same this number. अब 2 को आप नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे लिख सकते हो, 8 को पहले लिख सकते हो. 825. then you can write 5 on hundreds place. yes, सबको पहले एक एक बार hundreds place पे लिख दो. 5 582. then you can write 2 5 8, रिपीट नहीं करना है आपको, ओके चिल्ड्रन। 2 5 8 हो गया, देन यू कैन राइट 8 5 2, yes children. After that you can write 5 2 8, yes. After that children you can write 2 भी हो गया 100 प्लेस पे, 8 भी हो गया 100 प्लेस पे, 5 भी हो गया 100 प्लेस पे, then children you can write 852 हो गया, 285 हो गया, 285, 825 हो गया, 582, 825 हो गया. So this is your children, is सारे possible 3 digit we have made. Okay, now what question has asked, you have to arrange them in ascending order. Now इसको आपको ascending order में arrange करना है children. So your first smallest digit is, how will you compare it? आप सबसे लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में देखो, लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में, then you will compare 2, here it is, and यहाँ पे भी 2 है सबसे छोटा. Now see ये दोनों तो 2 सेम है, तो अब आप नेक्स्ट देखो, ठीक है. Here it is 8 and here it is 5. So children 8 तो बड़ा होता है 5 से, yes, तो ये छोटा है, so this number will come first, 258. Then you will write this, क्योंकि ये 2 आपका छोटा है 8 से 5 से, 285. Now children 8 is bigger, yes, than 5. So you will compare, आप इन दोनों में से कंपेयर करोगे. Okay student, so see that 5 आपका सेम है. अब नेक्स्ट देखो 8, yes, ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. So children आपका स्मॉलेस्ट से करना है, बिगर की तरफ जाना है, तो हमारा ये आएगा 528. Then you will write 582. Now remaining these two. Now in 825 and 852 में से आपको देखना है स्टूडेंट. So you will see that after 8 यहाँ पे 2 है और यहाँ पे 5 है. That means this 825 is smallest number. Then 852. So 825 will come. After that at the end 852. So this is your answer children. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करा, फर्स्ट आपने सारे पॉसिबल 3 डिजिट बनाए विदाउट रिपीटेशन ऑफ एनी डिजिट. देन यू विल अरेंज देम इन ascending order. Then what you will do, after making all possible 3 digit number without any repetition, you will arrange them in ascending order. So this is your answer. Children, now your next question is, make all possible 3 digit number by using 302 only once without repetition. Children, again this question is without repetition. That means you will not repeat. Not repeat. आप repeat नहीं करोगे, okay? And then what you have to do, आपको descending order में arrange करना है. Descending order means आपको सबसे पहले big, then ऐसे जाएगा. सबसे पहले big, फिर उससे छोटा, then small, और सबसे लास्ट में आएगा small. ये आपका descending order. Ascending order में हम ऐसे जाते हैं, yes, सबसे पहले small, फिर ऊपर जाके big. So children, this is your homework. Okay children, thank you class.